Good morning, children. In last session, we have discussed about signs and symbols of electrical accessories and electronic components. So today, using those symbols, we are doing some experiment. So this is the first experiment, that is the domestic wiring. How we can wire wiring? We can take place using the lamp, switch, and fuse and all plug. If anybody gives you wiring up of a lamp, switches and all, how we can do the experiment? So for that one, we need this is circuit diagram. So in circuit diagram, we are using symbols, okay, lamp, switch, fuse and all those things. So last class we came to know how we can write the lamp, switch and all. So using those symbols, we are written the circuit diagram. This is the first experiment of domestic wiring, that is a controller lamp from one place. Okay, so see, this is a circuit diagram. This is L means lamp, and SPS single pole switch. F1 and F2 is the fuses. Okay, so this is a plug. Okay, so live and neutral. Okay, so 250 volts, 50 hertz is the AC voltage what we are using in a domestic. Okay, so this is the how we can wire the buffer lamp and a switch. See, so first we have to connect to the plug, two wires. Okay, the one wire from the line, it is connected to the fuse one, and it is done through the lamp. Okay, so another end of the lamp is connected to the wire switch, SPS switch, and another end of the switch is connected to the, it is connected to the plug of the neutral point, neutral terminal. So this is the circuit diagram. So when you are using the symbols, so when you are writing a circuit diagram, you should know these symbols properly. Then only we can read the circuit diagram, we can do the experiment. So we came to know that how to wire up of a lamp and a switch with a plug. So we can do the experiment now. Okay, shall we move with the experiment? Using the circuit diagram, we can do the experiment. So we came to know that how to write the circuit diagram. First, doing experiment, first we had to collect the materials, what all we need, tools and materials. See, this is a lamp. So, and see, this is a switch. Okay, this is a board. Okay, so we can't do the wiring in a room. So this is the experiment we are doing with the board, circuit board. Okay, this is a lamp, and this is a switch. Okay, so in order to connect the lamp, we need a holder. See, this is a holder. Okay, so for connecting a holder to switch, we need a wires. These are all the wires. These are all the material we need to, and plug. So this is a plug. With the two terminals, we need the plug. This is the material for wiring up of a lamp. And these are all the tools. We are already discussed in the first class what are the tools we need. Okay, so this is a wire stripper, and this is also wire stripper, cutting plier, nose plier, and screwdrivers. Okay, so different sizes according to the screws size. Okay, first what we have to do is we need a holder. So this holder we had to, how to wire a holder. See, we had to remove the holder. Okay, so like this. So two rings are there. So we have to open it. Okay, so see, this is a holder. Okay, so two terminals are there for a holder. Okay, so loosen the screw of the holder. Okay, like this, and connect the wire from the back side of the holder. Okay, so like this, two wires for the two terminal we had to connect. Okay, like this. So now two wires are connected here. Okay, so now we have to connect the holder. See, connect it like this. Okay, take the two terminals, connect to the switch, holder, and connect it like this. Okay, so you had to tighten the screws here. Okay, so two screws are here. From the back side you had to put the wire and you had to tighten the screw. So tighten it properly. Okay, and see this groove. Okay, so sit the holder should sit properly on the groove, brass holder. Okay, so on that you had to put the another part of the holder. Now using this two rings are there, take the big one and connect it to the holder. Okay, so thread it properly. Okay, so like this. Now holder is ready. Okay, so you had to fix this holder to the circuit board. So use this ring to connect it properly. Okay, so like this. Okay, so now take the plug and remove the screw of the plug properly. Okay, so remove the screw of the plug. Okay, so now see, this is the two terminal. Okay, one end of the terminal should be connected to the plug of the, I already explained in the circuit diagram. One end of the plug is connected to the lamp. Okay, so your another end should be connected to the holder. Okay, so the wire from the holder I am connecting to the plug. Okay, so tighten the plug wire like this. Okay, so screw, put the wire inside the terminal properly, then you have to tighten it. Okay, so like this. So another end of the plug is connected to the switch. Now holder is ready and switch is ready. Okay, so now see, holder, two wires I am connected and this is a switch. Now from the plug I am connecting to the lamp holder, and another end of the lamp should be connected to the switch. Okay, remove the insulation of the wire like this using a wire stripper. Okay, so you had to remove the insulation, you had to connect to the copper wire. Okay, so these wires, terminals of the wires, we had to twist it properly, so then only you can connect to the switch properly. Okay, so the conductor should not come out, so that's why you have to twist it properly. And one end of the lamp, this is the lamp and this is the switch, one end of the lamp I am connecting to the switch. Okay, use a proper screwdriver. Okay, so tighten it. So another end of the switch should be connected to the another end of the plug terminal. Okay, so see, twist this wire also properly. Now see the circuit diagram. This is the lamp. From the plug it is connected to the lamp through the wire. Another end of the lamp is connected to the switch. Another end of the switch is connected. Come back to the plug again. Okay, this is the phase and neutral of the terminal of the plug. Okay, now the circuit diagram is ready. Okay, so the wire is ready. Now we have to connect the lamp to the holder. Okay, see, this is the holder and we are connecting to the holder. Okay, now we have to see that whether this lamp is working or not. So connect to the switch. Okay. Okay, see now. I'll plug on my. See? So this is the experiment. Control a lamp from one place. Okay, so we can switch on the switch off the wire. So this is the domestic wiring. For a single room, how we can connect the lamp and a switch. Okay, if anybody asks you to, if you have studied electrical means, you have to wiring up of a switch and a lamp. How we can do it? This is the first experiment in electrical. Control lamp from one place. Okay, thank you. In the next class, we can move into the second experiment, how we can connect the two bulbs in series and parallel for the third experiment. So, okay, thank you.